Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right in front of me, we have a beautiful 2/3 scale Porsche Speedster replica. Very, very nice. It has the Steve McQueen numbers on it, so that gives you a nice little flair. I think that's cool. It holds 450 pounds, it has a 6.5 horsepower engine, forward and reverse gears, and today what we're gonna do is show you this thing in action, give you a nice comprehensive walk around, and let you decide if you wanna put this in your man cave, woman cave, collection, whatever. Let's do it. Taking a look at this, extremely clean build. I love how both the doors open up easily. I love all the accents throughout and everything to really make it look like a real representation, but 2/3 the size. You do have the 71, so that's Steve McQueen. He had one of these. Very, very clean. You do have tires that actually hold air, so they're not solid rubber, and it actually drives down the road nicely. I believe 22 to 25 miles an hour is the top speed. You do have a forward gear and a reverse gear. Really easy to use, just forward and reverse. Clutch is basically able to hold two full-grown adults with no issues. There's no hesitation. We put about, I would say, 3 miles on it, just testing it out. Brand new battery, all new fluids are new, fresh fuel as well. And the cool thing is all the lights work. So when I get in here, there's a switch, toggle switch. You have your horn, and then you obviously have your headlights. You can turn them on and off. You have turn signals, which operate. You can actually hear the chime as well. Just really, really neat. Doors open up easily from inside, so you can open up the doors like that. They have a off silver coating in here that really pops with the black accents, a satin actual dash, and then you have gauges that show kilometers. They're just stickers, but they look really, really good. Steering wheel is very nice. It's a 3-spoke. You do have nice door panels, so you have these beautiful door panels here, and when you close it, it closes nicely. All the body lines are very even on both sides. It's just neat, look at that. Let's spin it around and show you the passenger side. We're on the passenger side right now. This door operates, so you can open it up. And the texture flows through, so this is all that satin gray. That looks really good. Satin dash is cut right there nicely. Then you have a fake windshield, which does help with a little bit of wind resonance. You can see the door lock right here, and it closes nicely. Front fender, I guess front clamshell shows very, very nicely. This does not open. You do have coilover or adjustments on your suspension, so you could do 3 levels of adjustment. Right now it's at the highest setting for the front. The reason I did that is in case there's 2 of me in this thing, it'll sit really nice. I want to show you the engine. Let's do it. Let's take a look at the engine bay. So it has a little latch here that you can snap and pull open. 6.5 horsepower Buffalo engine, electronic start, which is super cool. You got keys, so you have keys for an ignition to turn everything on. You also have a manual choke and forward and reverse gears. The suspension is adjustable, so you can go higher or lower. Right now I have it at the highest setting because I'm 210 pounds, and if we had another person in there, we don't want to be scrubbing on the beautiful fiberglass that's been done. I'm going to close this. We're going to take a look at the interior and talk about those beautiful attributes. Let's do it. To start it, all you're going to do is pull the choke up a little bit, and then you're going to turn the key. Give it a little bit of gas. That's cold, by the way. And then you can slowly push your choke down. Want to go for a test drive? Woo! Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click like and subscribe below. I'm out of here.